You see that guy back there? Don't be that guy. Why would you have an empty mailbox when you can have Christmas in it every month? What's going on, guys? It's Jordan here from Tightlines TV, and today we are doing the March Mystery Tackle Box Pro unboxing. If you guys have never heard of Mystery Tackle Box, go ahead and check them out. There's a link in my description. Otherwise, we're gonna get right into it. So if you guys don't know what this is, basically it's just a monthly tackle subscription company where you pay a certain amount of money per month and they send you a bunch of sweet stuff. It's literally like getting Christmas every month. I love these things so much. And yeah, so we're gonna jump right into it. You guys come over here and you open the box and boom, it's already packed with goodies. Like, I'm already excited and I don't even know what's in it. But basically you're gonna open it up. The top flap has a tape measure in it, and this tape measure, you can literally catch fish, you can measure your fish with them, take a picture, and there's all kinds of contests you guys can enter with that. And if you go inside, you get this guy right here. This is basically a little card in here that gives you some information on fishing. On the back, there's the contests for that tape measure in there, and the most important part, everything that's in your box. So we're gonna go right along with number one. Number one, we got a hypo-teased Weston, or a Weston hypo-tease. Basically, it's just a giant swim bait. This thing looks sick, never used one before. I don't really know. This guy is priced at $11.99, so that's our first item. And the thing that's super cool about these boxes is you get stuff that you would never kind of normally find at your local tackle shop. It's just like all new lures that you guys can try out. And anyways, going into number two. So we have the Smart Baits color changing everything. So basically a color changing bait right here. Hey, cameraman, can you help me out real quick? Thank you. Yeah, we're doing this on a motorcycle and it's literally snowing right now if you guys haven't noticed, but it's obvious. I don't even know why I said that. We got this color changing Brute. This guy is priced at $4.50. I don't know, these things look pretty cool. I'm excited to try these out. Again, have no idea what these are. They look solid and that's super cool. So moving on to item number three. We have Rage Tail Lizards. If you guys never heard of Rage Tail, it's a pretty big company. They make awesome craws. I'd imagine that these work just as great. These guys are priced at a whopping $5.99. So another bait for $6. You're getting in there, so that's 3 baits. Going on to number 4, we got a flipping jig. Flipping jig is priced at basically $4. Everybody loves jigs. I fish jigs all the time, so you can't go wrong with that. And then with that, we actually have these guys right here, and I've never seen these. These are called brush bands. So I got 2 boxes of brush bands, and the brush bands are $1.50 a piece, so that's $3 worth of brush bands. And if you guys don't know what these are, they're basically a little rubber band that separates your brush guard on your hook. So I'm assuming it keeps it weedless, but also allows you to have a little bit better of a hook set. And I guess you guys could probably use these for wacky worms too, so that's pretty cool. So I got 2 of those in there. And ooh, we got some pegs, basically your stoppers right there. Everybody knows that. I say basically a lot, but get over it, whatever. And then we got this guy right here. We got the Runt. I've seen this a lot online. This is by a Ketchco lure. If you guys don't know what Ketchco is, it's a company powered by Mystery Tackle Box. They make really great products. I like them a lot. And this thing is just bizarre. Look at this thing. So this guy is $8.29. So an $8 bait right there. I'm excited to try that out. And then last but not least, we got these saw craws. These guys are $6. Again, something I've never really seen before. They look pretty solid, and you know, I don't know, I think we got a pretty good box. So that's everything we got in the box. That's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. I don't know what they total. I'll put that up right here right now. And yeah, you also get like a sticker in there too. So that's the March MTB boxing, guys. Like I said, Mystery Tackle Box is really cool. They're a really big supporter of the YouTube community, and it's just a really cool way to find new lures, find new companies, and just try different baits that you've never tried before. And it kind of keeps your tackle box loaded up for, you know, as the month goes on. If you guys don't want to just buy stuff, it gets sent right to your door. It's as simple as that. So thank you so much, Mystery Tackle Box, for giving me this box. And I don't know, as soon as it stops snowing, guys, we're gonna start actually fishing with these baits. We'll do MTB slams where we go out and we actually try to catch a fish on every single one of these baits. But until then, I hope you guys like this cheesy video. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button. And I don't really know, we'll see what happens next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you later.